I don't want to be one of the dudes that talks about the things that I wish I would have done, and I've always wanted to do something cool, and I decided to act on it instead of talk about it 10 or 15 years from now. We're going to Erzberg. I'm not sure what this entails, but it sounds exciting, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Made it to Munich.
How big is this car?
This is the smallest one I could get.
We are in the new orange world of KTM, and we are in MATTIGHOFEN, Austria. That's the new building from KTM. It's the KTM Moto Hall. We have about 3,000 square meters exhibition in our building. So let us go together to the world of KTM.
We're at the KTM marketing building, picking up a couple of 790 adventure bikes to head to Erzberg.
Thank you.
Sorry guys.
Yeah, thank you very much. We're a bit lost here. Where's the goat?
So hey, good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
I mean, when I was here, it was 15 years ago, the first time wasn't so big, and now I was always wondering that on this island hill, yeah, is going to dig, and then there's a sort of,
Yeah.
I don't know how it called, and then there's the next one. And they go up here really steep and so, you know. Jesus Christ! But be healthy, huh? Be healthy at least. See you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Gerald.
Another beautiful day here in Austria. Raining again. Today we're on the first day at Erzberg. Kory's going to do some training rides. whiplash for you right in the face. Kory, what are we doing? This is our staging area to get ready and go to our practice ride. Training tour, they're calling it. We get the hobby level this morning, which is like 1 through 8, and then in the afternoon we'll do like 9 through 16 as a finisher level. I have no idea what's going on at the moment though.
Hand slipped off the throttle. Yeah, bathtub. Yeah.
A little bit of a shit show on them communicating where you're supposed to go in the morning, but we got that resolved, went down to the van and checked in to go on the ride. And as I was, getting ready to get together with my group, some other dudes started showing up, and we were standing there and noticed that Graham Jarvis and Johnny Walker and Manny and Billy Bolt and I mean the top 10 dudes in the world all showed up, and they were standing there within 5, 6, 8 feet of us, just hanging out and having a chat and getting ready to go ride. And it was really surreal. I mean, it's like a little kid showing up to basketball practice and Michael Jordan standing there to a degree. So it was pretty humbling. It was really cool. Thank you.
We'll see what the times say, and then go do it again.
Yeah. It was better. The puddles were smaller, but the track was a bit rougher, more square edges. But the grip was better today in all of the exits and on the fast sections. So, yeah, all in all, some better, some worse. Probably about the same.